Hello! In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate ClickUp with Harvest. First, click on Create button, then select Zaps. Please wait. It will take a moment to load the content, and click on Trigger. And select ClickUp from the search menu. And choose the trigger event according to your needs. Then click on Continue and select the workspace. And then click on Continue button. Then click on Test Trigger. Please wait, the content will load, and click on Skip Test. Once again, click on Continue. Here you have to choose the particular application to integrate. Select Harvest from the search results. Here, choose the action event. Then click on Continue. Here you have to enter the name, based on your requirements. And click on Continue button. Then click on Test Step. Please wait, it will configure the test. And click on Skip Test. And once everything is done, click on Publish. Now you can see ClickUp is integrated with Harvest. Thank you.